My name is Sergio Rodriguez with Planet of Granite. We're actually a family-owned business. My dad is our boss, and my mom runs our errands, and my sister runs the office, and I normally deal with customers face-to-face. We were established in 2013. We're here to serve the local community. Well, obviously we provide granite. We're Planet of Granite, and we do solid surfaces, quartz, and marble. We offer carpet, laminate, a snap-in vinyl plank, which is the big thing, and hardwood, engineered hardwood. We definitely like what we do. We show up every day to a good atmosphere, and we're excited about helping people, and we really are. And it's real important for us to really help people with what they need.
My name is Vanessa Rodriguez. I help customers work with a lot of projects, and it's so much fun when they come in here and they have all these new ideas and putting it together. We've created several relationships with a lot of our customers. The relationships are so important to us that we've created along all these years. Part of doing a family business, not only are we helping ourselves out, but we're helping all of our community.
Family is very important to us. We come and work every day with our family. For us, that's real important. You know, for us to stay united and do business together, because this is the livelihood of all of us. It's what really drives us, I think, to do better and to try and take care of everybody to the best of our ability.
And I would like to invite everybody to come out here and definitely, to come and look at what we have and what we have to offer.